Oh my goodness. Is this a possible Scotch Porter beard hack? See if I can stack all these up right here. Could this possibly be a Scotch Porter beard hack? Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? This is your boy B Dot back with another quick video. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining the channel once again. I got a hot topic for you guys today. It wasn't that long ago that everybody was on the Scotch Porter bandwagon, train, whatever you want to call it. We were Scotch Porter till we die. Everyone was on it. Everyone was going out to grab that Scotch Porter beard conditioner, 2 and 3, 4 tubs at a time. Something happened over that time. They reformulated some things. They got in Target. They got in Walmart. People kind of jumped ship a little bit. Thought they was getting a little bit too big in my eyes. I get Scotch Porter all the time. I use their conditioner. I use their beard wash a lot. But this one product I want to tell you guys about today that I think you might want to look into. And that particular product is the beard balm from Scotch Porter. I'm sure you guys who have all been on the Scotch Porter bandwagon, using your Scotch Porter, still getting it in the mail, still ordering it, still taking advantage of all the discount programs they have for the holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever they're doing, Black Friday. They always have them little deals where you get 50% off, buy 2, get 1, yada yada. They're doing it. But who's really taking advantage of the beard balm? This right here, the OG, the boss of all bosses when it comes to beard conditioners, right here from Scotch Porter. They stopped making this. Now they got another conditioner that comes in a tube, which I still use every day in the shower. But this classic right here, I still hold on to it. I have one left, as you guys can see. Well, you can't see. Same smell profile with that root beer barrel type of scent profile. That creaminess that you all remember if you ever use the Scotch Porter beard conditioner. But I wanted to show you guys this beard balm. Now this has been reformulated as well. Same scent profile as the beard conditioner from back in the day, the OG. That same root beer barrel, masculine, nice scent profile, same consistency as the OG conditioner. Now, some came over me where I was like, let me think. So the other day, I did a beard wash. Came back, I kept this right by the bathtub. I said, you know what, I'm going to use this balm for my beard conditioner. Some of the same ingredients. So I went ahead and got me a little nickel size amount or more, depending on your beard. It was wet. Put it in there, left it in 5 minutes, rinsed it out. It rinsed out just like the conditioner. Use the beard balm as a conditioner and rinse it out. Would that be possible? And let me tell you guys, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. It worked pretty damn good. The OG conditioner has castor oil and shea butter. You got castor oil, you got shea butter in this one. Could these possibly be the same exact product? Could you actually use the beard balm as a beard conditioner? Well, for you guys that are still brand affiliates, still actually love taking advantage of the 50% off discounts that they throw out here every once in a while, maybe even get some of the beard balms as a promo or something like that and don't know what to do with the beard balms. I advise you open up one of your beard balms. Oh, I don't necessarily use beard balms no more. Well, it's not the same old school standard beard balm with all the beeswax. This is like a cream. You know, if I can open this up real quick and show you guys some on the top, I only got to dig into it. As you guys can see right there, it's just like the OG beard conditioner. Same smell, everything. When you're in the shower and you're going to rinse it out after 5 minutes, 7 minutes, whatever that you're in the shower, this worked perfectly. Now I have a reason to use my beard balm. Now I don't use this necessarily out the shower. To get some use out of it, for me personally, I've been using the Scotch Porter beard balm as my beard conditioner. And I got a bunch of different beard balms. I'm going to start using these full time, just like the OG beard conditioner from Scotch Porter that everybody was on. Why you left, I don't know. In some ways I understand when people change formulations and do stuff different, people jump ship. I got my own other reasons for thinking why people left, but I'm going to leave that alone. I was really baffled and I was really looking into it like, I wonder. looking at the ingredient profiles, we're like, you know what, this is similar to the OG. So just a quick little video. If you guys do remember the beard conditioner from Scotch Porter, the OG, which used to come in the 8 ounce. Oh, this was classic. It came in the 8 ounce. If you're still looking for this, you can't find it anymore on Amazon. Scotch Porter doesn't sell it. You don't know what to do. Give this beard balm a try. This comes in a 3 ounce. It's a little bit cheaper than this. Give it a try. That's all I came to you with today. Got my little Scotch Porter card right here. This your boy B Dot. I want to thank you guys for all the continued support. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. And I'll holler back. Peace.